Hi, and welcome to the 13th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ, and I'm from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting and software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today we're going to take a look at understanding the basics of the toolbar, and the item that we're going to take a look at today is italicize. So let's take a peek. I've made a chart for you to show you what a basic spreadsheet would look like. Okay? You always want to put your logo and whatnot and your headings on. Now let's say you would like to just spiff this up a little, make it look a little bit more professional. And what you can do is go ahead and click in the area that is A7. That's column A, row 7. Let's take a look at first quarter expenses. If you click in that cell, you can go up to the top right here where it has the italicized I. Okay? If you click on that, you'll see that this area here is now italicized. If you wanted to change that font a little, you can see definitely how that has changed from January, February, March, and April. Let's go ahead and click in all 4 of these cells and change that so it matches. See, there you go. It's all italicized. Let's go ahead and always do a Control S, which is Control Save. If there is a power failure or something, you will lose all of your work, so you don't want to do that. So always make sure you hit Control Save every now and then. Let's go ahead and click in the Office Supply cell and click on the I. Entertainment, the I. Supplies, again, italicize. And I think that's about it. One more category, and that is the Truck Auto Repair, italicize. And there you have it. And let's go Control Save. So we have taken all of the headings and italicized them just to make it look a little bit more fancy. And that's italicized. And again, Control Save. You know, it's always better to be safe than sorry. There's so many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little more about Excel. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and to customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. 3 o'clock today, time to have some more coffee, right? With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs that will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient, which is so important. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for tuning in. See you at the next podcast. Bye now.